Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to simulate LED blinking with Arduino on Tinkercad. So let us get started. Now I will search here Tinkercad. This is official website tinkercad.com. I will open this. Wow, I think I have already joined. So this page has been opened. This is dashboard. So I will click on circuit design and new circuit. This is microbit. I will start new tutorial series on microbit. So now we are going to learn how to simulate LED blinking with Arduino. So first of all I will take Arduino Uno. Okay, one breadboard. Click on all components, then search. This is breadboard. Okay, now I will take LED. Okay, resistor. I will take this resistor. Resistor value is 220 ohms. Okay, and this is cathode pin, so I will connect cathode pin on ground. Okay, cathode pin I will change color, black color. Okay, and now I will connect anode pin on 13 number digital pin of Arduino Uno. I will change the color of this wire. This is red. Okay, so now circuit is completed. Now we will go on programming. So click on code, and I will not teach you block code. I will teach you text code in Arduino language. So you can see here it is already created code for LED blinking. I will edit this as define LED 13. So I will remove this and I will type here only LED. Okay, here LED pin has been initialized as the output, and here LED pin right high, it means LED will glow, and LED pin is here low, it means LED will be turned off. Okay, this is delay for 1 second. It will be hold here for 1 second after on position, and it will be hold for 1 second after off position. So it will take 1 second for on and off. Okay, now I will click on simulate so you can see output. Wow, see, I will change the LED pin number here. I will connect on 10 number. So here I will disconnect and I can connect to 10 number, and I will edit the delay. Delay is half second, 500 millisecond, and I will start simulation. Wow, LED is blinking. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video, you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you have any doubt, so let me know in comment box. Thanks for watching.